Lo mbuthano uqale ngemashi emgwaqeni yasenkabeni yedolobha. Leli qembu eselinonyaka lisunguliwe lethembisa abantu baseGauteng ukuthi lizoletha uguquko kuleli dolobha eliwumgogodla womnotho wakulelizwe.
We are supposed to be in the city of gold, but we are in the city of despair. If we look around us, every building, every street, every community is falling apart. Even streets are exploding in this city where we are.
Lethule umqulu wezethembiso ezinhlanu kulesi sifundazwe eGauteng, kanti ke okuseqhulwini kuwo ukwakha amathuba omsebenzi angu-600,000 kulesi sifundazwe.
We will target the creation of 600,000 new permanent jobs in 5 years. And this is not a dream. We have done the work. We have identified the industries from which these jobs will come.
Umholi weqembu iRise Mzansi uxeke undunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi ngokubungaza ukususwa kwama-e-tolls ekubeni afakwa yiqembu iANC.
We are here to show Panyaza Lesufi that gimmicks like celebrating the switching off of e-tolls when your party and your government cause a problem to begin with is not going to cut it anymore.
Leli qembu belikhankasa eGauteng ngaphambi kokhetho lomhlazi ngamashumi 29 kuNhlaba.